Carrie from Trendy Tree. Today I'm right here at my best friend's store. It's True Blue. It's right down here in Pontotoc. We helped her do her windows. This is Cindy. She's my fashion coordinator. She doesn't know. Today. No, I'm not dressed for her today. My baby chicks and my mama hen chick at the Trendy Tree store, we all wore tartan plaid today as the Christmas spirit. Anyway, we did Cindy's windows. You know, Rachel, my main one, and Casey helped, and Ashley, who works for both Cindy and I, and Ashley Tudor helped, and we made bows, and they did some fresh cedar garland and some of this gold magnolia garland we added in with some berries and some poinsettias, some stuff we dug out of Cindy's back closet because we use what we already have. Cindy did these sticks and she just painted the ends of them gold, and they're so cute. The cedar trees, she put some poinsettia stuff in there.
Some nandinas.
Right, just some natural stuff, some fresh stuff, and some fake. It looks good. But let's go in her store. Cindy loves to be videoed.
One of our biggest sellers is our Ronaldo, and we have a huge selection of that. We are like number 10 out of over 800 stores that carry Ronaldo. We invite everyone to come in and check our selection out. If we don't have it in store, we can usually get it within a week to 10 days. We're big on special ordering. We carry a lot of their rings and things that a lot of other people don't carry. And Carrie's over here looking at the
acrylic jewelry. I got this pair last night. It's this acrylic. They're very light, and they're $18. I mean, they're real inexpensive as far as, but they're really cute little gold flecks. And Cindy assures me that the acrylic jewelry is going to be really big this year, so let's hope.
And that's Jonna out of Saltillo, Mississippi. The name of her jewelry is XOXO, and she handcrafts all of hers. We have more acrylics over here that are great for the holidays.
Mom, Bob, now, is everything that you have in the store on your website, or just?
Most all of it. Some of the jewelry is not, but most everything is.
It's trueblue.shop.
Yeah, trueblue.shop.
And Mom bought this outfit last night. Well, you bought the top last night. You didn't get the pants.
Yeah, she got the whole outfit.
You got the whole thing. This is
the whole thing.
This will be.
Hey, I did not get the necklace.
I'll get you that for Christmas.
Thank you.
We actually have this cut right here that somebody picked out for their husband to get them, that is going to get wrapped, and she called him yesterday and said, there's a package at True Blue, you need to come and buy me.
Right.
So it's wrapped and ready for the husband.
A lot.
And Carrie had this on last night, and she wore that at Celebration Village, and it's a really good length. You notice Carrie's tall, but it's still plenty long for her. This is a new look.
Mom got these pants last night.
I did. For some reason, I don't look like that, though.
Yes, you do.
You looked good in them.
Yeah, and this off-the-shoulder stuff is everywhere.
A lot of sweaters and skirts. Skirts are really big again. And Taylor, who dates Carrie's son, did this display right here for us.
Taylor, good job.
Taylor, you want to tell them your favorite sweater over here?
Taylor's like part of the family.
Oh, sweet Taylor.
I like
Taylor
this
loves
one.
that.
It's a color block. Chanel.
Oh yeah, Mom, you got this dress last night. Mom went on a spree.
I shopped last night.
She got this dress last night.
I love the
that's
dress. I love it.
It's
It's really
suede.
cute.
I know, but it's almost like you can
A
wear it
gown.
year-round.
And you can make it look so different by whatever kind of cardigan you put with it or anything. Of course, cheetah is big.
Yes. I want this.
What's good about these little sets is Claire McGee got this yesterday, and I was telling her you can wear it with your little fashion sneakers, or you can put little booties with it, or you can dress it up with a heel for nighttime, and it looks so cute.
I like that.
And just put more jewelry on it for night.
I like this. And this jumpsuit was adorable on the little girl that had it on last night. Two girls had it on last night.
Yeah, 2 of them got it
And
last
they
night.
looked great.
They
looked great.
And then the flare jeans are still really good, the high-waisted flares.
Bell bottoms.
Yes.
Bell bottoms.
Big bell bottoms.
These are by Buddy Love.
I should have saved all mine.
Yeah, they're great.
And
I got
Carrie's
this
got
last
this.
night. This little top
That's cute.
to go with. Oh, and this is a cutout. But it looks cute on if you're, young and firm.
And not much of it shows. And
No.
then for a younger girl, what we did is we put this cute little cardigan over it, and it shows part of this, but yet it covered her stomach.
Right.
She's like 16. So, you know, to appease the mom and everything, we put a cardigan, and you didn't even realize it made it look like a skirt outfit.
Maggie picked that out. She's got this denim jacket with the, it was cute. She liked it.
Wasn't that the Beatles coming together?
And this is a big look to mix your patterns and all. And this is a little romper set. Andy's got this on today. And you can wear this with jeans. You can swap this up and wear this with a lot of things. And this is probably one of the softest sweaters
I
ever.
like it too. It looks like a Christmas sweater.
But it's so soft.
Color.
And probably my favorite shoe is the
cow.
cowhide gold spot boot.
Isn't that cute?
I don't have that one.
And you notice there's 1.9, so we can fight over
I
it.
know, we always fight over shoes.
Maggie did get this, so I won't be getting it because
my goodness.
once again we had 1.9 in it, and Maggie got it.
Maggie got that one.
And
Mom has this one.
this is probably our favorite brand of sneaker. It's a Matisse Coconuts,
that.
and we've had it in 3 different colors. And you have two.
I have
of,
two
no,
of.
now you have 3 with Maggie's. And anyway, we've got it coming again in a neutral color.
It's great.
But it is so comfortable. Everybody who works here has at least 1 pair of
yeah,
these.
they're good.
We need to get a pair of those.
Oh yeah,
You do?
they're great.
And then this is another cowhide boot that's done really well.
It seems like an animal print, and cowhide is so popular.
It
this
really
year.
is. And it holds up well. It's durable. We have another little sweater table here. And this section right here is really bright because just because it's wintertime doesn't mean you have to wear all dark colors. We love our bubblegum pink sweater here.
Oh, that's cute.
And this is a fun one. You can just wear it with jeans or you can dress it up. It's really good for a night out. For Christmas or Thanksgiving or
like the
New Year's
tabs.
Eve. It's
I
really
like the
soft.
color. Gold is
It's like a velvety.
and this looked. That Cindy wore that at Celebration Village. Did you wear it with jeans or black?
I wore it with my black jeans.
The black jeans, and it looked really festive and real pretty.
And then you can also
Christmas.
wear it with some black pants or a skirt or
Probably
whatever. I can
look
see it
better than what I had on here today.
look good with a good black pencil skirt. Yeah. I wore this last night. Got a lot of compliments on it. It's a maxi.
It's cute.
It's really comfortable. It's another Buddy Love.
Cute.
Then we have a lot of jeans. And then just some basics. That's just a good basic
I
to wear
love
with
that
just about any-
sweater.
It's really
It's
pretty.
soft.
It is very soft.
It's really soft.
And that's by Dex. That's a brand that we have a lot in the store. It's a really good brand.
It's cute. This is where
Carrie does most of her shopping.
I do. I come
Well,
and
I
say,
tell you, I do better in a small place like this because you sort of know what I will like and can kind of pull things out of the rack, you know, for me. And I don't like to go to the mall for clothes.
no.
Well, that's one thing that we're really good at here is we know we take your age, we take your body shape, and we can tell you how to take this outfit and make it look age appropriate or, you know, for whatever, you know, if you're going to an
Right, 'cause
event or
I
something.
can try on a dress and you won't hesitate to say, no, that's not the right length. It's too long for you. You're not tall enough for that. So
Yes.
that helps me.
And that's important because a lot of times people come in, the consumers, and they don't realize that, hey, if they'll make it a little bit shorter, they look taller. Or if they'll make theirs a little bit longer, you know. And like positioning your jewelry, you know, to distract from an area you don't want a lot of emphasis on. Like if you're heavy busted, you know, bring your necklace up. If you don't have as much chest and you're not wanting people like some, especially our older customers don't want people looking at their neck, so you bring their jewelry on down, and your focus is not on the neck. But by the way, Trendy Tree did the decorations in
bows.
here as well.
Some
You've got the
bows.
ribbons and then the garland around the dressing rooms. Rachel did that for
I
us.
see the garland. I didn't notice the garland back there.
Rachel did all of this for
All
us
right. And that's one of our little Christmas trees.
from a couple of years ago.
Well, that's an old dresser.
No, this is actually a luggage cart.
Oh, but that's
But
an old.
these are just old nightstands. It looks like, you know, the
Oh,
same as
okay,
a
no.
dresser, but it's just a nightstand. And this
Okay.
is just a piece of marble that was an old antique table that fit
Okay.
perfect. But Trendy Tree came and used some non-traditional Christmas colors because they know I use blue and golds. And they decorated our luggage cart for us. So this is where we keep our refreshments. And they've got some really unique ornaments back here to bring the light back in there.
Where'd you get that luggage cart?
You know, I ordered that.
Okay.
I looked high and low for one, and I finally found one. And
It's like an old hotel.
exactly, that's what it's a hotel luggage cart.
All right. Okay. So
We'll do
give
it
me
on.
the name of your website again.
It is trueblue.shop, and most all of our items are on there. And we're here in Pontotoc, Mississippi, and I'm Cindy. I'm the owner. And my daughter is out on maternity leave, but there's Ashley that works for both of us. She's got on one of our dresses today. She tries to stay out of the camera.
She keeps us straight. I'm helping.
Behind the scenes.
But most of the time, if you see Carrie or Jenny in the videos, most of the time they've got our clothes on, so check us out.
No, we're not. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.